Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews, the channel where we help you choose the smartest tech for your home. If you're tired of spending time vacuuming and mopping, you're in the right place, because today we're counting down the top 5 best robot vacuum and mop of 2026, featuring the most powerful, intelligent, and time-saving cleaning robots you can buy this year. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to support the channel and never miss our latest reviews. And if any of these robots catch your eye, you can check all the product links in the description box below. Now let's jump right into the list. The DREAME Matrix 10 Ultra is a true flagship built for fully automated cleaning, featuring an advanced multi-mop switching dock that automatically selects the right mop and cleaning solution for each floor type, eliminating cross-contamination. With a massive 30,000 Pascal suction powered by Vormax technology and a Hyperstream Duo brush, it effortlessly handles dust, debris, and stubborn pet hair with 100% detangling. Its FlexiAdapt system allows it to clear obstacles up to 3.15 inches, including steps and balcony rails, while OmniSight navigation helps it avoid over 240 types of objects with extreme precision. The all-in-one power dock handles self-emptying, refilling, mop drying, and deep self-cleaning at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, making this one of the most hands-free and intelligent robot cleaners of 2026. Designed for large homes, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11. OmniCyclone delivers powerful performance with its 19,500 Pascal blast suction and Zero Tangle 3.0 system, making it ideal for carpeted floors and pet hair. Its standout Osmo Roller 2.0 mop scrubs floors in real time while washing itself instantly, achieving deeper cleaning with improved edge reach thanks to TrueEdge 3.0. The bagless OmniCyclone station eliminates ongoing costs, while PowerBoost GAN fast charging ensures minimal downtime. With AIV 3D smart navigation, TruePass 4-wheel climbing, and an intelligent triple lift system that adapts between wet and dry cleaning, the X11 is a smart, powerful, and future-ready cleaning solution. The NARWAL Flow stands out with its innovative Flow Wash real-time self-cleaning track mop, which washes itself continuously using heated water and strong downward pressure to remove stubborn stains in a single pass. Delivering 22,000 Pascal of suction, it combines powerful vacuuming with a zero-tangling dual-flow system that channels hair directly into the dustbin without wrapping. Dual-camera AI obstacle avoidance recognizes over 200 object types, allowing precise navigation even in tight spaces. Its carpet-focused technology boosts suction on rugs by creating a sealed airflow zone, making the NARWAL Flow an excellent choice for homes with mixed flooring and heavy foot traffic. The eufy Omni C20 is a compact yet efficient robot vacuum and mop combo designed especially for hard floors. Using Mop Master technology with 180 rotations per minute and 6 N of pressure, it tackles tough stains while vacuuming and mopping simultaneously. Its 7,000 Pascal suction handles everyday debris, crumbs, and pet hair with ease, while the slim 3.35-inch profile allows it to clean under beds, sofas, and desks effortlessly. Paired with eufy's eco-friendly, plant-based hard floor cleaning solution, the Omni C20 is a reliable and environmentally conscious choice for apartments and modern homes. Taking the top spot, the Roborock Q5 Pro delivers exceptional whole-home cleaning with its powerful 5,500 Pascal suction and duo roller brush system, which enhances deep carpet cleaning while reducing hair tangles, perfect for pet owners. Its LiDAR navigation and 3D mapping ensure precise room scanning, smart no-go zones, and efficient cleaning paths. The Snap Mop system allows simultaneous vacuuming and mopping to capture fine dust, while the large combined dustbin and water tank support extended cleaning sessions. With up to 240 minutes of runtime, covering nearly 3,800 square feet, the Q5 Pro offers outstanding performance, reliability, and value for 2026.